Just a quick video to show you the reason I go on and on and on about not using any bagless vacuum. I mean, it doesn't really matter who makes it. The difference is Dyson is a premium machine and they need to be looked after. They must do. Any other bagless vacuum, if you use it for plaster dust or brick dust, the same thing will happen. These filters are not designed to filter things that small, so everything will go straight through the filter. It will then go straight through your motor, and then this filter, that is the post motor filter, which means it's after the, you shouldn't see anything like that in there. You shouldn't see anything in there really. You know, over time you're going to get, they will start to discolor, but you certainly shouldn't see that. That's plaster dust, and this plaster dust will get absolutely everywhere. You'd expect to see it in there. The other thing is that skirt inside there. Take this apart, get a brush and just brush it off. Don't go banging the thing against things, because you'll damage that nice skirt in there. You can see from this how much plaster dust has gone through the post motor bits on there like that, and that actually goes on there, but I strip everything for a service. All I'm doing at the moment is I'm taking everything apart to see the extent of the damage. I think I can fix this one with a service actually. The other thing with these ball type machines, there's a thing all in there called a changeover valve. Don't try and change that yourself. People get them upside down and all sorts. I see all kinds of horror stories. It's not an expensive fix. Bring it in and I'll do it, and if I do it as part of a service, I can do that for half price. So just a quick one to show you the reason that you should not use any bagless vacuum for plaster dust or brick dust. As I was saying before, the bagless vacuums by any other company, well, they just didn't work well in the first place, so you're not going to notice that they don't work because they didn't work anyway. But with a Dyson, you'll hear a pressure release valve open and you'll hear a funny noise, and that is just because these filters cannot pass air through. They're saturated with plaster dust. Please don't use your Dyson for plaster dust or brick dust. It does kill them.